If you put a large order on a public automated market maker, everyone sees it before it executes. Your size, your direction, your intent. That is what gets front run, and it is why size does not trade on chain. Lebur is a confidential uniform price call auction on iExec Knox. Sealed orders net against each other inside a trusted execution environment, and only two things ever become public: the clearing price, and whatever could not be matched internally. Here is a settled batch on Sepolia, read live from the chain. 1 bid of 1,000, 1 ask of 600. 600 crossed inside the enclave and never touched the chain. Only the 399.7 residual did. That is the public footprint, and it is the whole privacy claim as a single number the contract computes itself. The price ladder is public on purpose. It is the auction's grammar. What is secret is where on it your order sits, and how big it is. At every tick, under encryption, the contract computes demand, supply, and crossable volume. The clearing tick maximizes volume, breaking ties on minimum imbalance, which is the rule real call auctions use. Knox has no select over an encrypted boolean, and no bitwise operations, so more volume wins and on a tie less imbalance wins is not expressible as written. It is packed into a single encrypted integer instead, and resolved with one comparison. Let me be precise, because this is easy to oversell. The residual and the clearing price are public. A public pool has to see what it is being asked to trade. Claiming otherwise would be a lie. What stays encrypted forever is every order's size, side, limit and fill. The residual settles through one exchange received call on a real curve pool. Curve is never forked or modified, and that is checkable, not claimed. The Sepolia pool blueprint is byte identical to mainnet. And note it is the pool implementation, not the factory. The factory only deploys. There is no operator in this system. Clear, settle, payout, and starting the next auction are all permissionless. Every one of them is a button, so nobody can strand your escrow by going quiet. This deployment already proves it. It settled one auction, then reopened itself for the next. One honest note to finish. Curve is flat at the peg, so the residual settles at roughly 1-to-1. The claim here is not that we save you slippage. That would be false and checkable. It is confidentiality and MEV resistance at size, settling at par. It is live.